Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. I hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving. In case you weren't aware, the market is open today for Black Friday, and it does close early at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. For Black Friday, TipRanks is having one of their biggest sales ever. You can get 40% off premium subscriptions right now. So if you've been considering unlocking some of the best research tools out there, now is a great time to do so, and the link will be in the description down below. It's going to be probably a fairly short video this morning as the markets are quite quiet. We have a little bit of stock market news, but no earnings reports today, and we'll see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. So let's jump right into that exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are mixed today. Currently, Dow futures are up 0.15%, S&P 500 futures up 0.10%, while NASDAQ futures are down 0.15%. It's been reported that Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, is looking to purchase Manchester United in a deal worth about $7 billion. Several other parties have also shown interest in the sale, including the UK's richest man, Sir Jim Ratcliffe, Amazon, Facebook, and former United midfielder David Beckham. It will be interesting to see who will win the bidding match, as the club's current owners, the Glazers, are looking to sell Manchester United to the highest bidder. Shares have been gaining since the news earlier this week of a potential sale and are up nearly 40% over the last 5 days. The stock has just one current analyst rating with a price target of $17, which would now be a downside of over 9%. Tesla's full self-driving beta is now available to anyone in North America that had purchased the option. The FSD beta feature, which was priced at $15,000, can be requested on the driver's car screen. Tesla does note that their FSD is not completely autonomous yet. The company's website suggests that the current enabled features still require a fully attentive driver who should be alert to take over at any moment. This news comes as Tesla has also had to recall about 80,000 vehicles in China to fix problems with software and seatbelts. But recalls are fairly common for Tesla, and this latest one in China is actually relatively small compared to previous recalls this year. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 69%. And Visa reported strong payment volumes for November, seeing 9% year-over-year growth. The growth in Visa's quarter-to-date U.S. payment volume keeps investors optimistic about their top-line performance in their upcoming results. Their U.S. payment volume is well ahead of pre-pandemic levels, and the company also witnessed cross-border transaction volume growth of 22% from the prior year. Analysts currently rate the Visa stock a strong buy with an average upside of 16%. And like I said before, the earnings calendar is virtually empty today, so we're going to move right along to the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Manchester United on the news of their possible sale to Apple. Trading under the ticker MANU, their stock is currently up 9.7%. They're followed by Enlink Midstream under ENLC up 5.5% and Evotech AG under EVO up 5.3%. And our biggest losers this morning are led by Lufax Holdings after their disappointing earnings on Wednesday. Under the ticker LU, their stock is down 15%. They're followed by Dropbox under DBX down 5.75% and American Water under AWK down 4.6%. So that is going to be everything for Friday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. Don't forget to take advantage of the TipRanks Black Friday sale with some of the lowest prices ever. You can follow the link in the description down below. If you made it to the end of today's video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I imagine it's going to be fairly quiet there this morning. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you back here on Monday.